I am the first Ugandan.
Yes, yes, to me.
To you,
Yes,
the tour
as
guide,
a tour
this
guide,
one.
yes.
Yeah. To
But
come from
mostly I
Uganda.
normally have white people.
From where?
White people, Germany, Spain,
Uh-huh.
coming here.
So Kenya,
schools.
what about Kenyans? Kenyans don't come and pay?
Mostly Kenyans, they come mostly December. Mostly.
And pay?
Yeah, they pay.
Yes.
Yeah, mostly December. December.
If I'm a Kenyan, I can't pay. I just come.
Kenyans normally pay. They normally pay.
I just come.
Even
and
the locals here, if you want to pay, you pay.
Ah, imagine, I can't.
You
I
can't.
just
Why?
come and enter through behind there.
You know this
I
place.
don't come from here, the office.
Yeah,
from.
yes, this place is so big. You know they are trying to fence, but it is difficult. Yes.
Man,
Yes.
doing research.
Yes. She has stayed here 30 years.
30 years.
Yes, doing research on
What
those
is,
species.
she has not this what? 30 years.
Yes, 30 years.
That's
Doing
so many
research
years.
on those monkeys. Even she has employed youths from the community looking after the monkey. Yeah.
That's strange.
Yes.
Which one is this?
Black and white colobus monkey.
Black and white.
Yeah. You can hear the sounds or calls of the birds.
Mm. Where are the butterflies? You can't see them now.
Right now you can't see because
They
of the
hide.
weather.
They come in which weather?
You know when it have sun.
When
you know
there
right
is
now
sun.
wings is still heavy.
Mm.
Yeah, they now still landing on the leaves. It's difficult for them for flying.
But those snakes you talked about.
Huh?
Those snakes.
You know, here we have kakamega forest. We have snakes here. But to see a snake, it's difficult. Here we have pythons. We have rock python, baboon viper, rhinoceros horned viper, green mamba, forest cobra, Jameson's mamba. But to see a snake, it's snake here.
Have you ever seen?
Yes, I normally see snakes sometimes. Yeah, you know, snake hear us while we are still far away, like 60 meters away. For the vibration, it will stay away. Yeah. The bark of
So
the
this tree is normal, but down it looks like it's dry.
It's
there
normal.
Is a hole.
It is still alive.
And very healthy.
Yes, and there is a hole inside. You see?
How did this hole come about?
It's natural. This is a natural hole. Yeah.
I think it's about full.
You can come behind here.
Just take my video. I'm avoiding getting you in my video. Maybe you don't like. Okay.
This is a nature walk. Yeah. Yeah.
We pass here or
Let's go there first.
this way?
Yes.
What about this?
You can see this one. It's now drying up. You see, it has got. It's drying. It has got some patrices roots. Yeah, that one is. You can see.
Maybe it will
There's a
eventually
squirrel.
dry.
Oh, there's a squirrel up there.
Oh, that's a squirrel.
Yeah.
It's very tiny.
Red-legged sun squirrel.
So now this one you will cut? Or
No, here we don't allow people to cut the tree.
how will it fall? Like the
Sometimes if it is old, you can see it's now drying up. If we have heavy rain with heavy wind, the tree normally fall down.
and it will spoil other trees.
Yes, and you will leave it. Don't carry it. We don't allow people to carry it. Yeah. Now this one is now getting dead.
Okay.
Yeah.
Another one with a hole.
It's not a hole. Some packings of people.
Somewhat?
People were chopping the bark of it. Yes.
I'm now inside Kakamega forest. The snakes don't bite. When they hear us, when we are still far, they
There's
run.
another colobus monkey.
Oh. Kakamega rainforest. Yeah. That means it's the same which reaches the other side where we came from, where they say they make charcoal. It's the same forest like
It
this.
is the same forest.
It continues.
Yes. This is, it extended to Congo forest. This is a type of Guinea Congolian rainforest. Like here, we in 1950s, 60s, we had lions, elephants. But it reached the time they allow people to cultivate in the forest. They were planting maize, beans, and then those animals they migrate. They migrate to Congo forest. So like right now
What is Congo forest?
It's a forest, Congo,
It's
Guinea.
called Congo forest.
Yeah.
In Kenya.
Not in Kenya, in South Africa.
Ah.
Yeah. So it's a type of Guinea Congolian. Like those animals, they migrate to Congo, to that place. So here we don't have big animals like elephant. We just have small animals like tick, fox, mongoose, porcupines, jackals.
You said baboons also?
We have baboons
So
here, no gorilla. But here we will not see baboons. Baboons move. If you want to see it, we walk for a long way so that you can see baboons. Like here we just see the other monkeys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like,
No.
you have to be far. Anyway,
So
it's okay if you like, because there is no distance.
yes.
The original one died.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. This is the trick. This is serious. Where are we going now?
Let's go a little bit. There is those who come here illegally. They steal the wood, and then they prepare charcoal.
Because you cannot guard the whole forest.
You can't.
Some people already are used, they know.
Yes.
That's a banana plantation?
Yeah?
Those are bananas?
Yes. That's what it's now in the community. Let me go and explain for you something.
Now the forest.
You have not seen banana tree?
In Uganda we have, but here.
So you have Uganda banana?
Yeah, we have.
Yes. Even us.
I didn't know that people will have.
Even us here. That's the same tree.
Because this is the building. Let's walk. I can't. So was already enough.
Yeah?
So also it misplaced some trees.
Yeah. Already it killed the original, now it's taking over.
It's called the fig tree.
This is fig tree.
Those plants can be eaten?
No, to some species of birds. Even monkeys, the blue monkey, red-tailed monkey. Yeah.
How is this job of working in the forest? Is it good?
Yeah, it depends on the season.
On the season?
Yeah, like now we had a low season from
People are not coming.
yeah, from
Why?
June, July, August. It's a high season for the
Why?
visitors.
What's special about those months that visitors are so many?
You know, there's some countries, I don't know, sometimes they have weather changes, climate change.
Oh, that's when then they come.
Yes, climate change.
But now,
Snow, we have snow. They should be here. So many people like
so when there are many, you're busy.
you are busy now here. Even you can come here even in 6 times. And you know, we have those who have got different walks. We have those who want 3 hours walk, 4 hours walk, 40 minutes,
Even
1 hour,
minutes.
2 hours. It depends.
So now you can spend like a week and nobody has come.
Yes, sometimes.
Then what are you doing?
Sometimes.
And yet we have to remain around.
Yes.
Then they pay you at the end of the month, even when they are
we
not.
don't get money at the end of the
Month.
Yes. As I say, we are freelance tour guides. So here, us, we don't get any salary. Our salary is you.
Like now, when I've come, I've paid, then now you get.
Pay, you have paid. Then it's the time I will get money. Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Us, we are community. Yes.
Then when the season is good, at least you are working and also getting money.
If the season is good, we normally work.
Yeah. If the forest gets finished, it's your loss.
Yes.
So you have to protect it.
Yeah.
Oh, that one fell.
There's a colobus now. There's so many. There's one
so
landing.
many monkeys.
There's one landing. There's that tall tree. Another one landing on that branch of it.
That one fell and blocked the way.
Yeah. No. We are going round. We have not finished the circuit. Yeah. We have not passed here. Yes, cuttings. Sometimes they come here when it's raining.
When there is rain,
They know they come here. And you know, we have forest rangers. They patrol. So people come when it's raining. Yeah.
So if you get someone cutting,
They take them to the jail. They will pay fine. If you have money. If you don't have money, you will be jailed. Yeah.
this is a good job.
You know,
if you have
the
customers.
the value of Uganda is low. Yes, that's what we know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now
But if you are here in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, value.
Yours is higher than.
Yes.
Yeah, it's true.
Yeah.
Because I remember I took 60,000 Uganda shillings. I got 2,000 Kenya.
2,000?
Only 2,000.
Only 2,000?
Yeah.
Yeah.
60,000 Uganda shillings. I got 2,000 Kenya shillings.
Oh, yeah. You know, so
it's mangoes.
Fruits, we have fruits here, but to get fruits, it's difficult because of mangoes.
Mango is already ate all.
Yes.
They don't.
This is their home. Forest is
And
the
there are
home
many.
of all species that are found here. Monkeys, they feed on it. Yes.
Okay. Jesus! Finally, we are in Kakamega rainforest. That's so big. So now that one grazing,
Yeah,
it's not allowed.
It's not allowed.
So now you just
we
leave
need
them.
What we normally do as guides, as we move here, as we see these things
You
happening,
tell them.
we go and tell them there's a wire cage there at the office. They take them to there, and then the owner will go and pay fine.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.